So quick word about sleeping. This is, so many people struggle with sleeping, and this is one of the first things that I'll hear patients express to me is, "Doc, I'm sleeping so much better." I didn't necessarily come in for sleeping issues, but I came in for XYZ symptoms, but now I am sleeping better. And I just, there's so many reasons for why these people are sleeping better, but just think about the nervous system's able to rest, it's able to work better, the brain chemistry is better, all your hormones are produced better because that innate intelligence in your body doesn't have the amount of stress on it when we start fixing the cause, and that's what we do here in the office. The other thing is you're not in pain. And so if you're not in chronic pain like you were, you're not gonna wake up because I rolled on one side accidentally, or I slept on an arm funny like that, or whatever the situation is. So you're able to sleep better. I see this all the time. See patients come in and say, "Doc, I'm sleeping better." And I just want you guys to know there's hope if you're struggling with sleeping. This is something that can truly help you radically change your life.